Are you running out of time? Not with InvolveMe, you're not. In fact, with InvolveMe, you can keep track of time. Let me explain what I mean. Let's say you're a teacher and you want to test your students on their geography knowledge. Using InvolveMe, you can make a quiz just like that. But in addition, you also want there to be a time limit for each question. With InvolveMe, all of this is possible. Let me show you just how easy it is to do this. So in Templates, under Quizzes, I will select Online Geography Quiz. Then in the editor, I will go to the first question in the quiz, and from the content elements, I will drag and drop the timer onto the page. Then on the right, you will have several customization options. You can change the text before and after the timer. So I will change the before text to "you have" and the after to "minutes left." Then you can change the actual time where it says time, and you can either use your keyboard to type in the amount of minutes you want, or seconds, or you can use the up and down arrow available in the tab. So it's about time to choose what happens after the time runs out. So where it says on time up, link to, you can select if you want there to be no action, if it should go to the next page, previous page, if there should be a page jump, a custom web address, or a restart and refresh of the entire quiz. But I will just leave this on next page. Then I will tick the box where it says trigger pop-up when time is up, and then you can just write a message in the pop-up content, and that is what will be shown to your participants. And lastly, you have the option to hide the timer from your participants, but I'll just keep it on here as it is helpful for my participants to know how much time they still have left to answer the question. So then to see how the timer looks on your page, just click on Design Preview. So now you can see how the pop-up looks and that it transfers you on to the next page. So let me exit out of this. And I want to have the same timer on each one of my pages. So a really cool trick is that you can simply use your keyboard to copy this element. So just click on the element itself, do Command C, and then go to the page where you want to copy it to and press Command V. So I can just do this for each page so I don't have to set up a timer on each page individually. You can really see that InvolveMe is looking out for your efficiency and time. Some would even say they're watchdogs. Okay, that was a really bad pun. Anyway, that was it for today's video. But before you go, I have a discount code in the description below where you can get 2 months for free after you sign up on the website. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching, bye! And we out.